In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Figma. This is a quick but important setting, especially if you're collaborating with a team and want your correct name to appear in comments, cursors, and shared files. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Figma in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on the main Figma homepage or file browser, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon depending on your current setup. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with options related to your account. From this drop-down, you'll see several choices like your account, teams, or files. What we're interested in here are your personal settings. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage things like your profile details, notifications, and other preferences. Give the page a moment to load and you'll see different sections for your account information. Somewhere near the top, you should find your current name displayed. Right next to it, or just underneath, there will be an option that says Change Name, or something very similar. Click on that. Once you click Change Name, a text field will appear where you can edit your first and last name. Carefully type in the name you want to use. This is the name your teammates will see when you're working in shared files, so make sure it's spelled correctly and looks the way you want it to appear professionally. If you use a nickname or a shortened version of your name at work, this is a good place to set that. After you've entered your new name, look for a button to save or confirm your changes, often labeled Save or Update. Click that to apply the new name to your account. Your profile should update right away, and you might notice your new name showing up in the top right corner or in active files. That's all you need to do to change your name in Figma. If the change doesn't appear immediately in a file you already have open, try refreshing the page so the updated information can load properly.